So I'm going to be using this Xpression Ultra kinky hair and this Mado um locks I got on Amazon. It's soft locks. It comes in 7 packs and it's very economical. So I already braided like more than half of this hair, and this is from the twist I had earlier before. I'm sure I shared that with you guys in one of my videos, how the lady washed my hair, posture and all of that. So I'm going to be using, it's just a simple crochet method, but since it's the same length, when I get towards the front, instead of crocheting it really close to the roots, I crochet close to the tip of the twist. So I just open the lash and insert it, and then pick up the hair, pull it out. So, and then I make sure it's not lumpy, it's just like straight. Then I use the kinky hair to just wrap it all the way from the bottom. I didn't want it to be too tight, so that's why you see it looking very loose. I get aches really quickly if my hair is like very tight, so I just make it as loose as possible. And I wasn't using any jam for this hair because I just chose not to, and it was already parted, so I didn't want to go through the stress of like loosening it. And also, the best way to do this for yourself is to get someone to like prepare your hair for you after the preparing, either the same day, or if you like, you can rock it for a while like I did before you decide to wrap it. And it's quick, it's easy. I use like 4 hours for this, although I use like 2 days. Like I started on a Thursday, and then I felt sick, I had cramps and all that stuff, so I finished it on Friday, right? So I used like an hour and some minutes, less than 2 hours on Thursday. Then on Friday evening I used about 2 hours to, or less I think, to finish just the front. So it didn't take me long, and my hair is not so long, so the wrapping wasn't too tedious. So thank you so much. Just keep watching and enjoy to see the finished look. And if this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for dropping by. My name is Queen. I post videos on here every week. I try to post like twice in a week. So sometimes I might post once a week, but I try at least every week I drop something for you guys about hair or makeup or just anything, fun. So yeah, just subscribe to join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So yeah, about that, I try to like put the in between my both fingers, my both palms, and then rub it together. That's to ensure that it just blends so well, and then you don't find, since I didn't make any knot or add any glue, just so the kinky hair doesn't unravel and become funny, you know what I mean. So I just rub that in to further seal it, kind of. But most of the time, even if you leave it just like that, it doesn't unravel, because the kinky hair just, it kind of tangles, or not really tangle, it kind of stays in place together. That's the good thing about having 4C hair. So yeah, it doesn't really, it tangles, yeah, it's hard to work with, yeah, but I won't call that tangle. It kind of stays in place where you put it, so it's not like straight hair that unravels very quickly. So yeah, that's the finished look, and I think I love it. It looks really cute. So because I really don't like when it's too tight and I have my scalp pulling everywhere. And when braiding, I didn't apply any shine and jam or any gel, because I plan on having it for a while. As fresh as you can see. So it doesn't really have a middle part, just kind of side. And this is it. So thank you guys for watching. Maybe I'm gonna leave a video on how to style it real soon. I don't know, I'm not promising, but